So today, you'll learn how to enable or disable keyboard autocorrect on your OnePlus 13. So the first step is to open the Settings app, and in Settings, you want to scroll down and select the option System and Updates. From here, tap on Keyboard and Input Method, and then you want to select Manage Keyboards and tap on Gboard. From here, you then want to scroll down until you find Text Correction and tap on it. So currently, to turn keyboard autocorrection on or off, under the section Corrections, you should see a toggle labeled Autocorrection. In order for you to turn it off, just tap on the toggle like that. Then once it's disabled, you'll now notice that if you start typing a word incorrectly, then the autocorrect option doesn't automatically start. But if you go back and if you turn it on like that, then now whenever you start typing something wrongly, it will automatically do the autocorrect function, erase what's currently there and put the correct word that you are currently typing. You can go back and customize even further by choosing to show the suggestion strip, next word suggestion. You can choose to enable or disable block offensive words, all sorts of things. So just scroll through the list and decide what exactly you want to do, what you want enabled or disabled when it comes to your keyboard autocorrection. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.